Have you ever wondered how massive townships, luxury villas communities, five-star hotels, industrial parks, or even entire smart cities are built on such large pieces of land? From the outside, it may look like a developer simply buys land and starts construction. But in reality, there's a more happening behind the scenes. Behind every successful project is someone who brings people together, solves complex challenges, and turns opportunities into reality. That person is called a land aggregator. Now, many people think a land aggregator simply buys and sells land, but that's a far from the truth. A land aggregator plays a much bigger role in the real estate ecosystem. So, if you have ever been curious about what really happens before a mega real estate project begins, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Every successful real estate project begins with one thing: the right piece of land. But finding land is only the first step. The real challenge is bringing together planning, legal verification, negotiations, government compliance, and coordination between multiple stakeholders. And this is exactly where a land aggregator becomes invaluable. The main objective of a land aggregator is not simply to say the deal is done, my job is over. In fact, that's where their real responsibility begins. Their mission is to connect the right people, create opportunities, build confidence, and ensure that everyone involved benefits from the transaction. The landowner should feel satisfied. The developer should feel confident and the project should move forward without unnecessary delays. Because the best real estate deals are never built by one person, they're built through collaboration. A professional land aggregator makes the land acquisition process more smoother, legally secure, and more transparent. But more importantly, they build long term relationships with both landowners and developers. Their work is not only based on transactions, it is built on trust, communication, integrity, and creating value for everyone involved. Now, let's understand the key responsibilities of a land aggregator. A land aggregator performs multiple roles throughout the entire journey. They meet with landowners, understand their expectations, answer their questions, and build strong professional relationships. At the same time, they coordinate with developers, legal advisors, consultants, survey teams, architects, and government authorities to ensure every step of the project moves in the right direction. Most importantly, they keep everyone informed throughout the entire journey. As we all know, good communication prevents misunderstandings and better coordination saves both time and money. One of the most important roles of a land aggregator is acting as a mediator. Imagine this: a landowner naturally wants the highest possible value for their property. On the other hand, the developer wants land at a commercially valuable price. Both have genuine expectations, and if communication is not handled properly, the entire deal can fall apart. This is where a skilled land aggregator steps in. They don't take sides. Instead, they carefully listen to both parties, understand everyone's concerns, explain the practical realities, negotiate professionally, and helps both sides arrive at a fair solution. In simple words, they don't just connect land, they connect people, expectations, opportunities, and long term partnerships. Now, you might be wondering, why is this role so important? Without proper coordination, land acquisition can become slow, complicated, and legally challenging. A skilled land aggregator works like the director of a blockbuster movie. Every person has a different role, every department has different responsibilities, and unless someone coordinates everything efficiently, the project can quickly become disorganized. Similarly, a land aggregator ensures communication remains clear, documentation stays on the track, legal processes are completed properly, and every stakeholder works towards the same goal. As a result, residential townships, commercial developments, hospitality projects, large infrastructure developments became possible with few obstacles. Industrial parks, and much more than if someone involves in land transactions. They are relationship builders, problem solvers, negotiators, coordinators, and trusted advisors. Their ability to build trust, resolve challenges, maintain transparency, and bring people together makes them one of the most valuable professionals in the real estate industry. If you would like to learn more about Land Aggregator or have any questions related to land acquisition, feel free to get in touch with us. Call us at our given number. We will happy to guide you. Thank you.